Good morning everybody and welcome to a brand new vlog. Just about to head out on a dog walk. I'm starting the day a little bit later than normal. I normally like to start it, as you know, up fresh at 5 o'clock in the morning. However, this is 10:30 now and I haven't took the pooch out for a dog walk. I'm a little bit later in starting because it's been icy. So I've been trying to go out with the dog a little bit later, let the roads and paths thaw out a little bit before I start walking on them and skating everywhere. So I've just been holding out for that really. I've been invited to the award-winning Spa Boringdon Hall's Christmas wreath making event. So I'm really looking forward to that because I've never made a Christmas wreath ever. So I'm hoping this will help with my crafting skills. Hoping to learn something. I'm sure I will. And I'm really excited to have a homemade Christmas wreath. Even though I've just bought a Christmas wreath for my door, I don't care. I quite like the idea of making one. I've seen lots of people make them and I'm really excited to do this. And I'm hoping it will also get me in the Christmas mood because although I've got the Christmas decorations up and I've just had my brother Dan visiting from London and we've had a really nice weekend walking through the countryside and going to countryside pubs and eating good food and playing games. Now that he's gone, I'm like, I haven't got anything else Christmassy planned, so I need to start sorting that out. It's also become apparent that I haven't got anything for socialising when it comes to, I haven't got like a wine stock or food stock of like all those Christmas biscuits and nibbles and treats. It's probably a good thing because I just end up eating it when it's there. I end up eating it and then I have to buy more, so it's definitely a good thing not having it already in the house. But I need to start making a list because I've not even started my Christmas gift shopping yet. I've got Christmas gift ideas of what I want to do, but I haven't done any gift shopping yet. So I need to get that started. So I'm going to write a list today after the wreath making event, get that sorted, and I can start ordering some pieces and then get the house in order because the house is still upside down from obviously the renovation of the kitchen. If you've not been seeing those, I'll link them down in the description box below, but the kitchen is still not finished and I knew that because everything's gonna put down tools for this Christmas period. I didn't want to start creating even more dust just before the Christmas period comes up, but this isn't even finished yet, so I think that's why I can't really get in the Christmas spirit. I don't know if anybody else feels like this, but I feel that Christmas has just come with a blink of an eye. I swear only yesterday it was the 1st of December, but now we are on the 14th. We're 14 days into December. It's crazy how quickly it's flying. Anyhow, I'm gonna get on and get the dog out because Chester is feeling a little bit restless, so I'm gonna get him out on the walk and get the day started. I'm all snuggled in my North Face jacket. I absolutely love this jacket. It was a bit of an investment and I'm really glad that I invested in it because I don't have to like triple layer. I can just wear at the moment I've got like a thermo t-shirt and then a jumper and this is so toasty warm. This is all I need. Oh, and probably put on a hat, but it keeps me so warm. It's absolutely incredible. shower and change, and I am ready for the wreath making event. So I've gone casual with some black jeans and some Gucci loafers, oversized coat, cashmere jumper, and hair down for a change.
So you're going to leave a gap between each piece and then push in the next piece. So make sure you leave a gap because you're going to go round again. You don't want it all
How cute does my wreath look? So I made a centerpiece instead of a wreath because I've already got one on the door, but I absolutely love it. I'm really proud of myself for this because I've never done anything like this before, and I've just popped this candle in, has already been used. I think it's from B&M, this one. I've just popped that in the middle. I know it's a bit too big at the moment, and I want a tall one, really a taller one than that one, because this wreath is so big. But I'm really pleased with what I've achieved today. I had so much fun with the Boringdon team, and Hannah, who is the local florist who talked us through it. She was really, really amazing, and helped us point out what not to do and what to do, like making sure that all the ring is covered was one of the top tips. So using a lot of smaller foliage as well as bigger foliage to cover all those gaps. And I am so inspired to do more of this for either gifts or around my home. So I'm definitely going to give it a try again this week at home.